Let me tell you about a particular supertask that I like quite a lot. It's called the deal with the devil. Okay, suppose you've made some really good investments, shrewd investment, and you have infinitely many dollar bills. You're carrying them with you. And let's say the serial numbers are 1, 3, 5, and so on. And you enter this underground bar, and there's the devil sitting there at a table piled high with money. He has all the other bills, the even-numbered bills. And the devil sees you and realizes that he has a particular attachment to your dollar bills. He's willing to pay you $2 per dollar. So the devil makes a contract, except actually he's very fussy about the order in which the bills are going to be exchanged. In the contract, you see now that you're actually undertaking this. He always buys from you your currently lowest numbered bill. So on the first round, he gives you 2 and 4 and takes from you bill 1. He gives you 6 and 8 and takes from you bill 2. He gives you 10 and 12 and takes from you bill 3. Can you see what's happening? We can see that if this process continues, if he always buys from you your currently lowest bill, every single bill is going to end up in the possession of the devil. And at the very end, after you've done all the trading, you don't have any money at all. Every single bill was bought by the devil from you at some stage. And so after all the trades are complete, the devil has all the money and you have no money at all.